Ay, 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 ay.
Pretty! Oh my God! Ano ba yan?
Ay, 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 ay.
Puro ay ay ay! Ulit! Sa kabilang kamay. Naharang eh.
Wala
Kabilang
pa.
kamay mo, kabilang kamay. Kabilang kamay.
Wala pa, di ba?
Ah! Kamay lumitan!
Ay, 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 ay.
Bababa na lang siya! Bababa! Grabe man yan, Hoy! Ang kabayo na!
Ay, 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 ay.
Ayan, puro yay
Can you sing with me? Can you sing? Ay, 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 ay. Ready? Are you sure? Wait! We're gonna wait for the music! All you're gonna do is just wait for the cue and sing. Ay, 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 ay. Can you do that for me?
Yes po.
What's your name?
Isa po.
Isa po. Are you the sister of Grace po? You're Isa po? Are you the daughter of Fernando po? Okay, are you ready to sing?
Yes.
Wala ka sa tono. Sana sinabi mo sa akin hindi mo kaya, parang hindi kita pinili. Napakasimple nga ulitin. Ay, 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 hindi mo malakuha ng tono. Sinasabi ko sa iyo, ibabalik kita sa Maynila. So, who wants to sing with me? Nasaan yung tapak ko? Wala ng tunog. What? Do you want to sing with me?
Sure.
What's your name?
Bernadette.
Bernadette? What's your last name?
Augustin.
Agustin lang sa Pilipinas. Ano napaka-arte mo? Agustin? Agustin. Agustin yan, gago. Napaka-arte mo. Kala mo talaga nakapaka-bunti-bunti na kung naka-Agustin ka sa akin. Agustin. Bernadette, what province are you from?
Bulacan.
Puta mo, Bulacan, binabaha dyan. Ang lala nang nakawan sa blood control dyan sa Bulacan. But don't you worry, we will fight for change. Okay. Can you sing what?
I'm from Washington.
Washington. Kumakaati ng Washington. Ano no?
It's 3 hours just to...
Ano no?
Nag-drive kami for 3 hours just to get here.
Sinusumbatan mo kami? 3 hours lang yun? 11 hours pinahin namin makapunta lang ng Canada. Ang sikip-sikip pa ng aeroplano, tapos ang hina ng aircon, sinumbatan ka ba namin? Ang layo ng pinahin namin, tapos pinakain sa amin lumpiang Shanghai, hindi nga kami nagreklamo. Pinakain kami lumpiang Shanghai, kala mo naman hindi kami sa Pilipinas galing. Okay. Can you sing the line? Ay, 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 ay. Can you do that? Can you do that for me? Okay. Sindikato ba kayo? Oh, okay. Bakit iniiwasan mo yung mga ganitong hugis? May sinasama ka ba karanasan sa ganito? Just sing. Ay, 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 ay. Put down your phone. You gotta concentrate and focus. Put down your phone. Live in the moment. Put down the phone.
Ay, 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 ay.
Yun ang sagot. Ang layo dito. Ang layo. Ang layo. Ang isang babae. Congratulations. You did a great job. I love you too. Ay. Ate, kinakamay mo ba ako? Kinukuha mo yung bracelet ko. Nagkulang na yung sing-sing ko, oh. Ate! Kumusta kayo? Aray ko. Aray ko, okay nilam. Okay. Oh my God. I can see my daughter here. Oh my God. I can smell your blood. What is your name? Huh?
Sophie.
Toby.
Known as Trixie.
Huh? Trixie. Toby. Christopher. Okay, so Toby. Trixie. Let me call you Trixie. How old are you?
26 stoner.
26 stoner. Nagsasyago. 26 stoner daw siya. 26 years na siya nagsasyago. 26 stoner. Stunner kasi yun. Okay. Alright. Can you sing with me?
For sure.
All you gotta do is just sing. Okay, are you ready?
Dami, pero go.
Okay. Ay, galing! Gusto ko ito. Ayun, sabi ng kabayong-kabayo. Anak ko nga ito. O, dali, medyo tayo na lang, smile ka. O, di ba? O, bago may post yun, i-filter mo ha. Para makinis ka, para makabulhabol ka naman sa akin. Ano na? Ito naman, Diyos ko, hindi mo naman sinabi, Jukes, nandito ka pala, pumunta ng showtime. Sana si Teddy, sinama mo na rin. O, picture, dali.
Wow.
Dito tayo. Ay, gusto ko marinig naman yung lalaki. Okay. Hey. Stop it. What's your name?
Gary.
Gary? Oh, Gary. Pero mas kamukha mo si Angeli. Ang asawa mo. Gary what?
Tan.
Gary Chinese?
Filipino Chinese, right?
Filipino-Chinese. Okay. Can you sing for me?
Hindi ako marunong.
Okay lang. Hindi rin ako marunong makinig. Kasi, ay. Okay? As simple as that. Ay. Okay? Eh, mamaya na. Parang may sakit mo na. May karamdaman ka bang mapagdaman ng nagpapakamo? Kuya, mag-iingat ka ha. Oh my God, you're so pretty. What's your name?
Camille.
Camille, how old are you?
17.
17? Oh my God, you know what? When I was your age, I was 17 too. You're so fresh, oh my God. What?
You're so ganda.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so what do you do here? Do you study here? You live here in Vancouver?
I live here in Vancouver.
So, do you have a boyfriend? Why not?
I don't want to.
Don't want a boyfriend? What?
I'm too young.
Oh, sorry, I'm too old. I'm sorry. Pinuri na kita, pinasaktan mo pa yung damdamin ko na mas matanda ako sa'yo. Okay, do you want to be an actress?
Yeah.
Oh my God. ABS-CBN is looking for an actress. A new breed of actress that will play the role of a manananggal in Chick right now. Okay, but first, you gotta sing for me. Just sing. Do you know Britney?
Yeah, I do.
Britney Houston? You know Britney Houston? Yeah, the singer who sang the songs from Bodyguard. Okay, just sing. Are you ready?
Right now?
I'm waiting for the cue. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yun lang ang ginawa niya, proud na proud ka na sa kaibigan mo. Achievement. That's your sister? Your sisters? How come you're not as pretty as her? No, that's good. You're not as pretty as her. You know why? Because you're prettier than her. Yeah! Never friends, ah. Oh, it's your cousin, your aunt. Oh, ikaw pinakabata, mother. Diba? Si Ardy, ang tari ng blush on. Kala mo, performer din.